seniors told me that if you have good contacts, then you're lucky to get an internship somewhere other than the US, Australia and India. Like people keep India as like a backup option. So I think everyone gets an internship at the end because India is there. If you don't get an internship anywhere, which happens to many people, then you have India as an option. So the types of internships, you have to do an internship which is relevant to the course. So something related to either consulting, data analysis, software development. I know people who did marketing internships as well. I'm looking on in LinkedIn right now, and I think there's Glassdoor, and then we have a CMU portal called Handshake, which is available to all CMU students. It's as good as not having one because there's just like one advisor called Catherine. She sends us any internships which are available in Australia via mail, but then that's not at all enough. So you have to look for the internships yourself. And she herself tells us that if you have good contacts, you're better off at getting an internship.